Hello and welcome to this demonstration of refresh lists, which is my app submission for CSC 3122. Refresh lists is an iOS application that allows you to create and manage reusable checklists and then receive reminders to review them. So if we jump into the application, it can be used in light mode or dark mode depending on your preferences. Now this is the main screen where you're presented with a collection of your checklists, and you can add a new checklist by clicking the plus button at the top right corner and entering a name for it. Now in the main view, each of the checklists has a card with the title of the checklist as well as the number of uncompleted items. And if we want to organize the checklists within this view, we can simply pick them up and move them wherever we want, like this. Now, if we click on a checklist, we open up the checklist view, which contains the title of the checklist as well as its items. Now, when reviewing the checklist to mark an item as completed, we simply click its checkbox to the left, and as you can see, the number of items uncompleted gets updated. Now, if we want to reset the state of the checklist, we can simply click this refresh button right here. So for example, in this daily medication list, you'd go about filling it in, and then once you're done for the day, you can simply refresh it to use it the next day. Now we can also add reminders to review this list. So the first thing you do is you set an initial reminder and then a recurring pattern. So right now it's about 6 in the evening, so I'm going to set a reminder, an initial reminder for 6:29 p.m. And since this is for monthly payments, I'm going to set a recurring reminder pattern for every 1 month and 0 days. And these are validated, by the way, so you can't enter random values in here. And let's say that I want to set monthly reminders for the rest of the year. So what I do here is I'd have my initial reminder, and then I want to be continued to be reminded for an additional 11 times like this. So we have to give permission to access the reminders, and once we do that, we'll see that 12 reminders have been added successfully. And the reminders are added into the iOS Reminders app, and the reason for this is they're synced via iCloud so that you can receive notifications on all of your devices. And as you can see, every month we've got scheduled on the 11th a reminder to review the monthly payments. These are also organized into their own list so they can be deleted or managed quickly. Now if we jump back into the app and then go into another list, right now the list is in a locked state, which means we can check off items, or we can add new items by clicking the box at the bottom. And that just adds it to the list right here. Now if we want to access the advanced options, we can unlock the list right here. And now we are able to delete list items by simply clicking the cross on the right hand side. And if we want to move these items about, we can pick one up and just put it wherever we want. And we can also use this edit button to the left to change the list item. So I can just change this right here and then commit it. As you can see, we've just received our notification to review the monthly payments. So once we're happy with our changes, we can commit them by clicking the lock button, and that will lock the list again to prevent accidental edits. Now the list also have a few options, so we can rename the list if we want right here, and we're able to change the color until we find one that we like, and the colors are used to organize it on this main screen right here. So yeah, that's the overview of the app. Thank you for watching.